Me hear about this war, I travel the globe. Johnny Somali stupid idiot him that on a troll road. And kiss substantial and disrespect the land. Now I'm stuck in Korea with a travel ban. Them call him go, them doubling on the soul street. Now the man, them a chasing, we can see them roll deep. In South Hiroshima, pan the Osaka side. Playing North Korea tunes, pan training abroad daylight. In this the old lady, I chew rum in at the store and drinking a public. Him spill salt up on the floor. Him say man touch me that him believe. Till me see the man punch him in at the face, me laugh in relief. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the drama? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Come and reach him, that a real finale. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the clout? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Him a real clown, we call him Johnny Salami. Johnny, Johnny, why you so rude? You mash up the vibes and make we not look good. Johnny, Johnny, you not behave right. Come a punch back in a broad daylight. In the pan TikTok, kick and rumble too. A live stream clown, disrespect not new. Him call out Asians with racist chat. No one can't left him yard. People know him they hot from Japan to Korea. Him make big scene. Now the people them vex them saying obscene. Him call out BTS and say foolish thing. Now the internet say him a nuisance king. Him play with culture like it's some big joke. Till the soul man step and give him one stroke. Me say karma real, you reap where you sow. Now Johnny Somali can't make no show. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the drama? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Karma reach him, that a real finale. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the clout? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Him a real clown, we call him Johnny Salami. Understand this boy at all, the Koreans call him Poland Goblin. And trust me, that fit him perfect. But when you see them punch a climb face, me say yes, sweet chin music. Shout out to all the Asian people. They're Rasta man, but they're man of the world. Japan, Korea, Thailand, China, Philippines. One love. Trouble, Johnny Somali. Who love the drama? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Come and reach him, that a real finale. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the clout? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Him a real clown, we call him Johnny Salami. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the drama? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Come and reach him, that a real finale. Who that a trouble? Johnny Somali. Who love the clout? Johnny Somali. Who get punch up? Johnny Somali. Him a real clown, we call him Johnny Salami. Johnny Somali, time fi cool down. The whole world tired, you act like clown. Johnny Somali, stop the disgrace before them lock you up in a permanent place.
I just don't get it, bro. Like, gonna come up to me, bro, why are you being racist to other people in other countries? Why are you bullying people in other countries? For money, like, for clout. I've said it many times. I don't give a I have no morals. I'm a sociopath. I don't give a at all. Like, period. Like, put this in your next YouTube documentary. I don't give a like, I care about nobody but my self. I can go whenever I want. I have freedom. I'm an American citizen. What I do, no, you need to tell me what I do. What I do. Taka.
As you can see, the Hanguk. I love Korea, and try to find me. I dare you. You never will. So good luck. That's all I want to say to you guys.
어? 어디가?
Don't touch my shoes.
어디가?
Don't touch me, nigga.
어?
Huh?
소말리 어디가?
Yes, sir.
어디 가냐고?
You guys call me crazy.
어디가?
어디가? What you mean? 어디가?
어디가?
What is 어디가? Oh. Yo. What is good?
야. 대한민국에서 앞으로 저렇게 소말리 같은 애들 진짜 처리할 거니까 앞으로 대한민국에서 알겠지? 소말리